Welcome. Today, we're diving deep into a critical topic: navigating a mental health crisis. This is a practical guide to help you understand, respond, and recover. How do you know if it's a crisis or just a bad day? Let's look at the red flags and signs to watch for. Signs can include sudden changes in behavior, extreme mood swings, social withdrawal, or expressing feelings of hopelessness. Urgent symptoms need immediate attention, while emergent symptoms are life-threatening. Knowing the difference can save lives. Real-life examples can help us recognize crises. Let's walk through some scenarios and how they might look. This is the part no one teaches us. What do you actually do when someone is spiraling? Let's break it down. Do listen, stay calm, and offer support. Don't judge, minimize, or try to fix the person. Creating a personal mental health emergency plan can prepare you. Include triggers, coping strategies, and contact info. What you say matters. Here are powerful scripts and examples of what not to say during a crisis. 911 isn't your only option, and in many cases, it shouldn't be your first. Let's explore other resources. 988 is the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. Call or text anytime for immediate support. Text home to 741. 741 to connect with the crisis text line for confidential support. These teams provide in-person support and crisis intervention where needed. Research and write down your local mental health centers. They can offer ongoing support and services. The real journey begins after the emergency. Here's how you stay safe and supported in the days that follow. Aftercare plans are essential for recovery. They outline steps for ongoing support, therapy, and medication. Understanding and navigating the mental health system can be complex. Let's break down what you need to know. Advocating for yourself or someone else is crucial. Learn how to effectively communicate needs and rights. A practical recovery checklist can help you stay on track. This includes self-care, therapy, and support. At PeakState, we're building something different, a place where wellness means readiness, not just vibes. Our channel's mission is to provide actionable mental health tools, real stories, and crisis readiness. Invite viewers to subscribe for future videos breaking down more resources and tools like this. If this video made you think of someone, share it with them now. If you don't need it today, save it, because one day you will.